and aromatic ingredients combine for extreme deliciousness and a nutritional powerhouse full of vitamins and minerals, fiber, healthy fats, and phytonutrients. Today, let's make a simple yet heavenly pesto pasta. Basil is a star ingredient in pesto. There are many different varieties of basil, and they can all have quite different flavor profiles. I was only able to find Thai basil at my local grocery store, which tends to have a little bit more of a peppery flavor than the traditionally used Genovese variety. I did find Genovese basil and another variety called Rutgers Obsession at Walmart, which I will plant in my yard, so I will always have some basil on hand to make more pesto or to add to salads or sandwiches or pastas in the future. Garlic has been used medicinally for thousands of years. Studies show that garlic can boost immunity, has anti-inflammatory effects, and research has shown that it can have a positive impact on your arteries and blood pressure. Walnuts are a great source of healthy fats and fiber, and research is also indicating that walnuts may be beneficial for gut health. Lemon is best known nutritionally for its vitamin C content. Vitamin C is an essential vitamin and antioxidant. It is important for immune function and can improve skin health. Parmesan cheese is a good source of protein and calcium and adds a wonderful nutty, salty, complex flavor to pesto. You want to use a good quality extra virgin olive oil here. Olive oil can vary in flavor, so find one that you like. I prefer olive oil to any other oil, and I use it almost exclusively. Olive oil is a main component of the Mediterranean diet, which has been shown to reduce the risk of mental and physical health problems. Studies indicate that olive oil can improve mood and memory, and may even decrease symptoms of depression and anxiety. Sweet basils like Thai and Genovese contain an aromatic oil called eugenol, which has been studied for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and anti-tumor activities. The antioxidant activity of eugenol, along with other antioxidants in basil, like anthocyanins and beta-carotene, help to fight free radicals in the body that can otherwise lead to cell damage and increase your risk for a variety of health conditions, including cancer and heart disease. If you've watched any of my other pasta videos, you know that my go-to pasta is Barilla Protein Plus. I like this pasta because it has a little more protein and fiber than traditional pasta. Fiber is so important for health, and the majority of people in the US do not eat enough. If you wanted to track one nutrient that has potentially the greatest impact on health and weight management, I would recommend tracking fiber. Generally, you want to aim for at least 25 grams of fiber per day. To a bowl, I'm going to add some tomatoes, the al dente drained pasta, and about 3/4 of the pesto. Mix thoroughly until combined. Feel free to add the remainder of the pesto to the pasta if needed, or you can use the remaining pesto on sandwiches or as a dip. Thank you for watching, my friends. As always, wishing you health and happiness. Aloha.